Tesla Powerwall 3, EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Which is the best home solar and battery storage system in 2025? I'm going to be answering that question and teaching you all about these two market-leading products in today's video. The smarter way to go solar. All right, now in today's video, we're coming back to you with another head-to-head solar and battery storage system comparison between the popular Tesla Powerwall 3 and the brand new EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Now, before we get to the scoring, I needed to comment a little bit about these two systems because they really represent two totally different approaches to a solar installation. Now, with the Tesla Powerwall system, this is going to be for people that are looking for a full professional install. In other words, you're going to hire a licensed solar contractor to do a full service installation for you, including solar panels and battery storage using the Tesla Powerwall system. Now, an installation like this is going to require permitting and inspections. So you're going to have to apply to your local AHJ, your local city or county government to get permits, and then you're going to have the government come out to inspect the work after it's complete before you can fully energize the system. Now, with the EcoFlow product and the Delta Pro Ultra X in particular, this is a new category of what I would call direct-to-consumer all-in-one solar and storage system. Meaning that you as a potential system owner, you can order all of the equipment directly from the manufacturer. In fact, by the way, be sure to check the description below because likely we will have a discount code for you if you'd like to order the equipment directly. And then you can execute what I would call a self-directed installation where you as the owner essentially play the role of project manager, and then you can hire an electrician or a roofer to help with different parts of the installation as needed, but basically you're in control of the project and you could save thousands when compared to hiring a traditional solar company. All right, now we're going to be doing the evaluation in 6 categories. Each category has a maximum score of 5 points for a maximum overall score of 30 points. Now those categories are power, of course the storage capacity of the system, the warranty that covers the system, of course the cost to purchase the system and the cost to have it installed. Also, we've added a new category this year for ease of installation. And this is especially important both for you contractors out there as well as you potential do-it-yourselfers out there of just how much special equipment do you need, how much gear, how many people do you need to execute the installation. And then finally, what I like to call the X factor. And what the X factor is a way that I can award additional points to one of the two systems where there may not be a direct apples to apples comparison, but where some of those unique design features could have major impact for you as a potential system owner or installer. So with that, let's get to the comparison. All right, up first here is the Tesla Powerwall 3. Now, in terms of power output, the Powerwall 3 provides 11.5 kilowatts of continuous power output. Now, that's a lot of power compared to the previous generation battery systems, and it would allow you to put the whole house on backup power even just using a single battery. Now, in terms of storage capacity, each Tesla Powerwall 3 provides 13.5 kilowatt hours of storage capacity. You know, Tesla has stayed right at this 13.5 kilowatt hour level for its first, second, and now its third generation battery. Seems to be working well for Tesla. However, for those of you out there that are looking for a true whole house backup with enough capacity to run your whole house overnight, including heavy loads like air conditioning, then I'm going to recommend that you add a second battery. Now, in terms of the warranty, the Powerwall 3 comes with a 10-year warranty. And that's sort of what we're seeing emerging as the standard for home batteries is that 10-year mark. There are a few products on the market that have a 15-year warranty, but 10 years is kind of the baseline for that. And of course, in terms of cost, I think you're going to find the Powerwall 3 pretty much middle of the road in terms of cost for an all-in-one system. But remember, this is going to be a professionally installed system, so you have to consider the cost not only of the equipment itself, but then of course, whichever contractor or whichever solar installation company that you're going to be hiring to put the system together for you. Now, in terms of ease of installation, I'm going to give Tesla +3 additional points in this area. You know, the battery itself, I wouldn't say the battery itself has anything that's that unique to make it easy to install, but Tesla did innovate with their Tesla backup switch or their meter collar adapter. And what that meter collar adapter allows you to do as an installer is you can wire the house for whole house backup. You can do the grid interconnection right there at the meter base, so that way you don't have to worry about installing a critical loads panel or having to rewire any circuits inside the house. So I think you contractors out there are really going to like the clean installation using the Tesla backup switch. And then for the X factor, I'm going to give Tesla +2 additional X factor points. Really just first of all, just the aesthetics of the product. You know, I have said consistently, I think the Tesla Powerwall is just about one of the best designed home batteries out there, and also because of the integration with the Tesla app. So if you're a Tesla vehicle owner out there and you're already used to using the Tesla app to manage your vehicle and your vehicle charging, you can manage your solar and your home battery all on the same platform. So this is the Tesla Powerwall 3. All right, up next is the new EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Now, in terms of power output, each stack on the Delta Pro Ultra X offers 12 kilowatts of continuous power output. Now that's a lot. That's the highest for any modular all-in-one system that is available for purchase direct to the consumer, at least as of this recording. And at 12 kilowatts, that is enough power for most homes to do a whole house backup. Now in terms of storage capacity, if you use the 3 recommended battery modules, that's going to give you 18 kilowatt hours of storage capacity, but you can go up to 30 kilowatt hours storage capacity in a single stack. So again, each battery storage module here is 6 kilowatt hours. I would recommend for a whole home system, start with 3, but then you can add 2 more to go up to 30 kilowatt hours in a single stack. In terms of warranty, EcoFlow is offering as well that 10-year warranty. At least we believe as of this recording that it's going to be that standard 10-year warranty. Although as we're recording right now, it's actually pre-release. So depending on when you watch this video, the official warranty may have been published by that time, but we believe it is going to be at that standard 10-year warranty level. Now in terms of cost, I think you're going to find the Delta Pro Ultra X one of the most cost competitive, if not the most cost competitive solutions when you measure it on a total cost per kilowatt hour basis. And of course, the nice thing about it is that because of the modular stackable design, you only have to purchase the inverter unit once, and then you can add on battery storage in 6 kilowatt hour increments. So your incremental cost per kilowatt hour, once you have the main inverter purchased, is much, much lower than if you had to buy an additional all-in-one system. Also, in terms of ease of installation, I've got to give the EcoFlow system all 5 points. Now, I had a chance to install this system just yesterday, and literally we had the entire inverter battery stack assembled in less than 5 minutes. The only tool you need is a flathead screwdriver. So it's literally as simple as you set your base with the wheels, you stack your battery modules one at a time, you stack your inverter module at top, and then you use the convenient battery interconnect cables that are provided already pre-cut to the right size from the factory. So in terms of ease of installation, it really doesn't get any easier than that. And if you're a homeowner watching out there and you're intending to do a self-directed installation, all you'll have to do is hire a local electrician to help with some of the few high voltage connections, but the majority of the battery inverter installation you can do yourself. Now in terms of X Factor, I'm also going to award EcoFlow all 5 X Factor points. And it's not really so much because of just the inverter or the batteries, but the other capabilities that are available on the EcoFlow platform. So one of those is the new EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. Now the Smart Home Panel 3 is a full-size, full 200 amp smart panel. It has 32 spaces where each space can be intelligently monitored and controlled. So for example, you can track your energy consumption down to the per circuit level, but you can also set circuit priorities. So for example, you may want certain circuits only to run on utility power and then have certain non-essential loads automatically drop off if you switch to running on battery backup power. Or you can even have what's called nice to have circuits, to where initially everything would be on during a power outage and a blackout, but then if the battery fell below a certain threshold, let's say 50%, then you could drop heavy loads like air conditioning, and all that happens automatically. The EcoFlow platform also includes an integrated EV charger, as well as it provides a generator recharge option. And so I think that's especially important for those of you who are preparing to survive a prolonged grid outage, or if you're fully off the grid. Having that generator recharge option just gives you more redundancy. If you hit a patch of inclement weather and the solar panels can't keep up recharging the battery, just run the generator for 2 hours. That'll be enough to bring your batteries back to near full, and then you can go for running another 1 or 2 days off of battery power. I think it really gives you a lot of flexibility, a lot of resiliency, and I really am excited for this new product. So this is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Okay, so in summary here, for Powerwall 3, you've got 11.5 kilowatts of power output, 13.5 kilowatt hours of storage capacity. You've got that standard 10-year warranty. Middle of the road in terms of cost, but remember, you're going to have to get Powerwall 3 from a professional solar installer, a professional contractor, so there's going to be some labor cost there. Plus 3 points for ease of installation, plus 2 X Factor points. Now for the Delta Pro Ultra X, you're looking at slightly higher power at 12 kilowatts, 18 kilowatt hours for what I think was going to be the most common configuration with 3 battery storage modules. We anticipate a standard 10-year warranty here, but probably where this really shines is your lowest installed cost per kilowatt hour of capacity. Delta Pro Ultra also won all 5 points for ease of installation. Again, all the inverter and batteries can be installed by 2 technicians, no special lift equipment, and no special tools. The only tool you need is a flathead screwdriver. Also, plus 5 X Factor points for the additional features on the platform, namely the Smart Home Panel 3, the EV charger, as well as the ability to recharge the batteries from a generator power source. So if we total it up, Powerwall receives 4 out of 5 on power, 4 out of 5 on storage capacity, 3 out of 5 on warranty, 3 out of 5 on cost, 3 out of 5 for ease of installation, plus 2 X Factor points for a total of 19 points. For the Delta Pro Ultra X, we're looking at 5 out of 5 on power, 5 out of 5 on storage capacity. Again, you can go up to 30 kilowatt hours in a single stack. 3 out of 5 on warranty, he's got that standard 10-year warranty. 5 out of 5 on cost. Again, one of the lowest scaled costs per kilowatt hours if you need to add additional storage modules. 5 out of 5 for ease of installation, plus 5 X Factor points for a total of 28 points. So folks, I think this is really going to be a disruptor in the home battery space. This is the first whole home solar and battery storage system that's available for sale direct to consumer. It's super easy to install. In fact, if you don't want to use the EcoFlow Smart Panel, you can even integrate the power directly through a standard generator inlet. So if you want to just have an electrician come out, you can put in a standard 30 amp or 50 amp, 240 volt generator inlet, and you can use that to feed power into your house. But I would recommend, if you want to get the full functionality out of the system, install the Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3. That way you get your automated intelligent load control, and it facilitates parallel stacking up to 3 units. So you get 12 kilowatts per unit. If you want to take that up to 24 kilowatts or even 36 kilowatts, the Smart Home Panel 3 will facilitate that. And again, I expect with everything that's going on in the solar industry this year, we've seen a lot of solar bankruptcies. Confidence in solar installers is probably about the lowest I've ever seen it. And so I think many more consumers are going to go this route of the self-directed, where they purchase the materials directly, they hire technicians, contractors on an hourly basis to help as needed, but where the system owner essentially is the project manager. So this has been a head-to-head comparison of the Powerwall 3 and the Delta Pro Ultra X. Folks, as always, if you're getting good value from the videos you watch on Solar Surge, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. That way, as we have new comparisons and new product updates coming out, it'll come up on your recommendations, and that way you won't miss anything. Of course, if you're a homeowner, if you're in the process for looking at solar and battery storage options for your home, really now is the time. You better take action now this year if you have any chance of getting that 30% residential tax credit. So as always, feel free to reach out to one of our experts here at the link below, or you can just use the free online calculator tool to see how much solar and batteries cost in your area. But that does it for today's video. I thank you all for spending some more time on the Solar Surge channel. And as always, I'm Joe Ordia here, encouraging you to get prepared and be empowered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.